Our intelligent ionizers have a software offset and mechanical adjustment. Each are able to swing the output of the positive and negative energy coming from the ionizer. The software offset is found in the menu and can be adjusted on the interface. The mechanical adjustment, better understood as true calibration, it can be found on the backside of the ionizer, labeled Cal. You'll see one per fan depending on the number of fans you have in your ionizer. It's always preferable to adjust calibration mechanically prior to applying software offsets. So before we jump in, to get an accurate adjustment, make sure the software offsets are set to 0. All you need to adjust calibration is a precision flathead driver. Now on the back of the ionizer, inside of the calibration terminal, is a trim pot. We'll be turning this while watching the ion balance on the display of the ionizer. The idea is to get this as close to 0 as you can. If you find the ionizer doesn't reach 0, it's okay. If needed, you jump back into the menu on the user interface and apply your voltage offset.